So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up daily automatic Bitcoin buys on the Kraken application. So once you open up Kraken, I want you to go to the bottom and press on the Explore button, then go to the top and then type in search or just press on Bitcoin. But if it's not showing, just type in ticker symbol BTC for Bitcoin. Once you're here, go to the bottom, press on Buy Bitcoin or Buy BTC. Now, once you're here, it'll actually show you the amount. So, for example, if you wanted to buy it, you can type in the price. So I think the minimum price, if I'm not mistaken, for this is $12.50. But right below where it says one time, press on that. You can go ahead and change this to daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. If you want to make it daily, go ahead and press on daily, then press on confirm. Then if you were to go ahead and proceed this way, I'll press on the purple button right here. It'll actually show you the daily transaction. So just go ahead. Press on understand if you want to proceed or whatever, and then press on confirm. And that's how you guys can set up daily automatic Bitcoin buys on the Kraken application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.